Hello friends, welcome back to Primo ICT Lectures. My name is Oscar. I'm an ICT facilitator. In this video, we are going to talk about data types in Python. Are you ICT teacher? Are you ICT trainer? Are you Python programmer? This video is yours. Stay with us from the beginning to the end. You will get so much more about Python programming language. Let's get started. What is data type? Data type tells Python what kind of data a variable is holding. For example, we have variable called the age, which is assigned 20, and a variable called the name, which is assigned Oscar. So we have two different variables which have been declared in Python. Now let's talk about the types of data types which are found in Python. In Python, we have numeric data types. For example, we have integer, float, and complex. Let's discuss about the difference among them. Integer variables can hold positive, negative, or 0. For example, we have variable x, which is holding 10 as a value, and variable y, which is holding the value -5. So, integer variables in Python hold whole numbers, or the numbers with no decimal points, no decimal numbers. What about float variables? So float is a Python data type which is used to store decimal numbers, or just the numbers written in a scientific notation. For example, A is assigned 3.14, C is assigned 2 power 3, which is a number in decimal notation. And also a complex data type is used in Python for the variables that will store complex numbers. A complex number is a number which has two parts, including real part and imaginary part. Imaginary part is denoted by letter J. The second data type in Python is string data type. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. So in Python, you can declare a string variable using either single quote, double quotes, or triple quotes. For example, we have S1, which is assigned hello. We have S2, which is assigned Python in double quotes, and we have string S3, which is assigned, this is a multi-line string. So this string is used to declare a variable that will hold a paragraph. So it's a multi-line string. Now let's talk about Boolean data type. The Boolean data type represents two possible values, true or false. So Boolean data type is a Python data type used to declare a variable that will store either true or false value. Remember that Python is case sensitive. So true with capital letter is not the same as true with small letter. So here I use true with starting with capital letter T. So Booleans are used to make decisions. Booleans are used to control conditions, and loops or just Boolean data types in Python should be used to compare values. For example, you have two variables: is student, which is assigned true, is logged in, which is assigned false. The following data types in Python is known as collection data types. So collections are data types which are used to store multiple values in one variable. Multiple values means many different values. So in Python, there are 4 main collection data types, including list. So what are the main characteristics of a list? No, a list can be ordered, list can be changeable, a list allows duplicate values, and a list is declared using square brackets. For example, we have a list called fruits, which is assigned apple, banana, and orange. So what are the features of a list? For a list, you can add, remove, or change items. And a list has index position. Now let's talk about tuple. Tuple is ordered, but the main difference between tuple and a list should be changed, whereas a tuple is not changeable. It can't be changed. But a tuple also allows duplicates. So to declare a tuple in Python, we use parentheses. For example, we have a tuple called the colors, which is assigned red, green, and blue in brackets. So what are the features of a list? A list, a tuple is faster than a list, and a tuple cannot be modified after creation. The following collection data type is set. A set is unordered. A set does not allow duplicate values. A set is changeable, and a set is declared using curly braces. For example, we have a set called the numbers assigned 1, 2, 3, 4. So the features of a set. A set removes automatically duplicates. The last collection data type in Python is a dictionary. So a dictionary stores data in pairs. A dictionary is ordered, a dictionary is changeable, and a dictionary elements must be unique. So you can declare a dictionary using curly braces. For example, we have dictionary called student with name, age, and course. So thank you for watching my video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with friends all over the world. Thank you. See you next time.